Welcome to KM Celestial Journey. Milky Way. Today, we're diving into some jaw-dropping space news. Did you know China just landed on the far side of the moon and brought back samples for the first time ever? Full moon. Meanwhile, Boeing Starliner faces yet another delay, and the highly anticipated DearMoon mission has been cancelled. Face screaming in fear. Stay tuned as we unpack these incredible stories and more. Whether you're a space enthusiast or just curious about the cosmos, you won't want to miss this. So, buckle up and get ready for an out-of-this-world episode. And remember, if you love all things space, hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with the latest in space exploration. Let's blast off. China lands on the moon. Exciting news! China has successfully landed on the moon. Their Chang'e 6 mission touched down on the far side of the moon. This mission is gathering moon rocks and soil using special tools. After 2 days of collecting samples, these will be sent back to Earth. This is the first time we will have samples from this side of the moon, and they will arrive on June 25th. Here's how it happened. The Chang'e 6 spacecraft launched on a Long March 5 rocket. It then orbited the moon in a big oval shape. The spacecraft has 4 parts: a service module, a lander, an ascent vehicle, and a re-entry capsule. It weighs over 8 metric tons. The lander slowly moved to a circular orbit and then picked a landing spot inside the South Apollo crater. It used cameras and LiDAR to find a safe place to land. This landing is a big deal for China. It's their 4th lunar landing and their 2nd visit to the far side of the moon. Only 2 other missions this year, from Japan and Intuitive Machines, have tried, but they didn't land properly. China's lander, however, made a successful touchdown. Next, the lander will collect samples for 2 days. It has a scoop for surface samples and a drill that goes 6.5 feet deep. It will collect about 4.5 pounds of moon rock and soil. Then, a small rocket will launch these samples back to Earth, where they will land in Mongolia. Chang'e 6 also brought extra gadgets, like a small satellite called iCubeQ made by Pakistan and China. This satellite is already sending photos and will study the moon's magnetic field. There are also tools from Sweden, France, and Italy to study different things on the moon's surface. One mystery is a tiny lunar rover spotted on the spacecraft. No one knows what it's for yet, but it's interesting to see what discoveries will come from these samples. The DearMoon mission cancelled. In other news, the DearMoon mission has been cancelled. This mission, planned by Japanese billionaire Yusaku Maezawa, was supposed to take artists and influencers on a SpaceX Starship around the moon. They were to share their experiences with the world. However, delays in the Starship's readiness caused Maezawa to cancel the mission. The mission was announced in 2018, but Starship has yet to be ready. Maezawa said he couldn't keep waiting and felt bad for the crew members who had to wait as well. This decision is disappointing for many, especially those who were excited about the art and stories that would have come from the trip. Starship, the rocket planned for this mission, is still being developed and is not ready for such a journey yet. Maezawa's decision might also be influenced by his decreasing wealth, which has dropped from $3 billion to $1.5 billion. Starliner delays again. Lastly, Boeing Starliner capsule faced another delay. It was supposed to launch 2 astronauts to the International Space Station, ISS, on June 1st. However, the launch was cancelled due to a problem with a computer on the rocket. The United Launch Alliance, ULA, which handles the rocket, said a computer card was slower than expected. NASA and ULA are fixing this issue and have scheduled another launch attempt for June 5th. If this doesn't work, they will need more time to replace expired batteries in the rocket. Conclusion. Thanks for tuning in to KM Celestial Journey. Space exploration is full of exciting adventures and surprising twists, just like we saw today with China's moon landing, the DearMoon mission news, and the Starliner delays. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with all things space, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support helps us bring you the latest and greatest in space news. Let's keep exploring the cosmos together.